Now here's where the existing timer is against the wall. And the first time I went to find the timer, I was looking inside the house, in the garage, on the side of the yard, and I wasn't quite sure where it was because it was underneath this box. I finally had to even talk to the gardener that we had, and he told me where it was. Okay, so I look on this, and that's where the time is now, that arrow. I push these down for between 8 o'clock at night and 1 a.m. See that little half moon? That's midnight. And you look at this, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 a.m. And so I just turn the dial and see where that is. When it hits there, I just have to listen or feel, and it clicked and it turned on. Okay, so now I know the power should be onto that wire, and that wire is now connected up to that new light. Let's go on out there and see what it looks like.